Hello, thank you for joining. Today I'm going to be working on my witch makeup. I made these warts with hot glue gun and parchment paper. Just dropped a few drops on parchment paper, let them dry, and I am gluing them on my face with latex. I was thinking about using spirit gum, but I'm going to save that for Halloween, so latex it is. I like to blow a little air on them just to kind of get them tacky and go from there. The tackier, the better. All right, here I am stretching my skin, putting latex on just to kind of give it an old, just an aging look. Using the fan to dry it on faster. Alright, so I'm just putting more latex on the side of my face to give me an aging look. Putting a fan on, it kind of gives you a little bit more wrinkles. And then we're just going to continue putting more warts at the bottom of my face. Alright, so I made this out of hot glue, googly eyes, and I'm just sticking it on there. Just you buy those little bags of googly eyes, get glue gun, and you put it on there and you let it dry on parchment paper. Now I'm putting latex and more toilet paper. I like to do 1 ply, so I split up the 2 ply, put it on there, and then put more latex. More latex, the better. Alright, here I am putting latex on my warts just to kind of give it more of a realistic look. Toilet paper, not too much. I ended up taking some off because I didn't like the way it looked. So if I can do it again, which I'm going to do it again, this was just my practice run, I won't use as much toilet paper on my warts. They're actually pretty good just the way they are. You take away from them, so on this part I'm putting more latex, toilet paper, then I decided I don't like so much, so I start taking it off. The reason I put latex on them and the toilet paper, it kind of blends into your skin. It doesn't make it look fake. Putting just some air. Now it's time for the chin and the fun. Now, fun fact, that is my hair on that latex. I made that out of molding clay, latex. I used about 4 layers of latex. Then I made a little ball, stuck it to the chin, cut some of my hair off, and this is the end results. Now it's time for the nose. Latex, latex to glue it on. I had to do this 2 times because I didn't stick it pretty good the first time. I wanted to make sure I get my breathing holes. I ended up stuffing the chin and the nose with a little bit of paper to kind of give it a shape so it won't go flat on me. Alright, I wanted to show y'all this foundation, the Infallible by L'Oreal. It actually works pretty good. I ended up buying it at Target yesterday because I didn't want to use my good foundation, but it's actually pretty good. I like it. It's like a medium coverage. So here we're just painting the nose, putting more latex just to kind of blend in that line so you won't see it so much. You won't be distracted by the line on my nose. want you to be distracted by the hair on my chin. Just painting everything. Kind of give it all the same skin tone-ish. It's going to be several layers of paint, but we're just getting started. Here I put latex on my eyebrows. Big mistake. Use a glue stick next time. So I trimmed my eyebrows yesterday, so it didn't really work, but normally you would put glue stick, brush them up, and it kind of gives it that spiky eyebrow look. Gotta clean your brush, it gets full of latex. So I'm also blending in my chin. As you can see, I don't want the chunks of chin showing where I glued it on. So you're just blending the nose, blending everything in. Alright, so now it's time to throw in that green. I don't think I'm going to do all green for Halloween, but it was a good practice. But we'll see. I'm thinking of going more of a natural color with a contouring of green, which is what I try to go for. But then once I started, like, I don't know, I just kind of went with green. Oh yeah, check out that hair stroke. That's my hair, y'all. Time to throw in that black. I used this black that I bought from the Halloween store. I didn't like it. I think for Halloween I'm gonna end up using like an actual liquid eyeliner. I couldn't find it. And I didn't feel like looking for it, so I kind of went with what I had. The lines aren't as great as I would have wanted, but like I said, this was just my test run. So I was just playing around just to see. I've never done this before, so. You do want to get those creases on your eyes, your face, just to kind of give you more of an old lady look. Here I'm using yellow just to kind of give it different highlights. That's pus on my warts. I really like the way that those looked. They looked really disgusting. So again, I'm not going to end up using that black on Halloween. I didn't like the way the lines looked. I'm going to go with more of a sharpened eyeliner or liquid eyeliner. I really liked how this blue came out. I was going for a purple. It didn't have purple. Now I remember I have purple eyeshadow. I may do that. But for using those crayons that came with the makeup, they were pretty good. And now blood around the sore of growing eyeballs on my neck. It just kind of gives it a disgusting witch look. You know, witches are gross. A little bruising around that. Now we're going to put some more green just to kind of blend it in. Now we're putting pressing powder just to kind of let the makeup set. I ended up finding a liquid eyeliner for my eyebrows. I was going with, actually that's the eyeshadow I was going for. Eyebrow pen, so I didn't like it. I tried the eyebrow pen, the black eyeliner. It wasn't sharpened. I couldn't find my sharpener, so it is what it is. I used that. I swear I'll be more prepared. This is the liquid eyeliner I found. And all these makeups, I wanted to use makeup that I didn't pay a lot of money for, so I'm using that NYX. And they're pretty good, actually. Eyeliner on the eyes. I didn't put more mascara on because I didn't want to waste my eyelashes. Had some good eyelashes on. I figured I'll wait till Halloween. I'm hoping my contacts come in. Doubt it. I ordered them too late. We'll see. And this is the finger, the eyeball I made with, like I said, hot glue gun, googly eyes, and I also made this scar with hot glue gun. So I used a lot of hot glue gun and latex. Just blending in that green onto the scar so it looks more of a realistic look. Now we're dotting in some black. Just got the same brush I was using, put some black on it, and I'm just, you know, dotting it in here and there. Give it kind of a dirty look. And that's about it, you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna wear a wig. I'm probably just gonna do my hair like with the crimper. And I didn't want to wear my costume because I don't want to give it all away, but it's super cute. My hair's gonna look cute, and this is kind of the look I'm gonna go for. I bought a witch's broom and everything, and here I'm just taking pictures with the different filters of the light, seeing which one looks better. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you again for watching, and have a happy Halloween. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any input or comments on how I can improve my look, please let me know. Like I said, I'm still practicing just to get this look going for Halloween. Again, thanks for watching. Have a good day.